Good day everyone, welcome to How To Video. My name is Tommy from Hackfishing Australia. In this video, we're going to show you how to use MinMoe as a virtual card reader of 26 series multi-door controller. Let's have a look. So the first part is about why we need this function. Here's a pain point. For example, I'm an end user and I want to upgrade my security system. I don't want to use card or fob in some entrance exit key points because it takes lots of human resources to manage them. Card keeps losing now and then, so it is really hard to manage those cards. The solution is to use MinMoe as a virtual card reader, so we can scan faces to open the door. It is easy and efficient, and we can manage the face database in free version of 4200 client. So this is why we need this function. Let's check what product can support this function. So we have two models here. For multi-door controller, we recommend to use 2604, and for MinMoe terminal, we recommend to use K1T341. And next is about the wiring and the steps to set up the hardware. So in step 1, we power up MinMoe, connect it to switch, and step 2, we connect RS485 to access controller. So if you look at the photo here, so the yellow cable goes to the 485 plus, and the blue cable goes to 485 minus. So this is step 2. So step 3, we power up the access controller and connect it to the switch. And in step 4, we connect the door lock or magnetic connections of the controller. So if you use lock strike lock, you need to connect it to lock plus and lock minus. If you use magnetic lock, you connect to door magnetic connections here. So that's the difference, which is very important. And next part is about step-by-step configuration. So again, it is very direct and marked with numbers. So on the left-hand side, it's about activation, and on the right-hand side, it's about adding device to 4200 clients. So pay attention to number 7. We must tick on synchronized time to make sure the time is same and correct. And in step 2, we configure MinMoe to be a card reader and reboot it. So again, follow number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in number 5, it is very important. Let's look at photo here. It is about the 485 address. So if we configure 1 or 2 in this address here, we need to connect the lock to 1 and or magnetic 1. If the number is 3 or 4, we connect the lock to lock 2 or mag 2. If it is 5 or 6, we connect the lock to lock 3 and or mag 3. If it is 7 or 8, we connect to lock 4 or mag 4. So this is another key point. And the step 3, we add person. We upload the, just follow the numbers to upload headshot photo, configure validity period, create a virtual card, simply follow the numbers to click and operate. So step 4 is to create access group and apply change to the device. When creating an access group in number 6, it is very important. Don't forget to tick on both MinMoe and the controller. Okay, this is about the step configuration, or together it's 4 steps, which is direct and easy to follow. And in part 4, we're going to demonstrate the result, about the real result. So here, let's play a video. So in this video, you can see we're going to use multimeter to detect whether the door is open when we scan the face. So here, the multimeter, you can see the result here, and the red pen, connect to lock plus, and the black pen connect to lock minus. So which is the relay output. So let's watch the video. So here, the face pop up, authenticated, and the reader result, multimeter result is changed, which means the relay is triggered. So this function is actually working. So if you want to change how long door signal can last for, let's look at this photo. So for the numbers in number 4, you can configure the figure as you want. All right, so that's all about today's how-to video. If you have any comment, advice, please let me know. Thank you for watching.